It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Next, we're going to take a look inside the front of the AT4. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the programmable memory seat, and the child lock button. Down below we have some door storage and the premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the heads-up display button, trailer mode, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and some lighting buttons and dials. This is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a leather interior. With the jet black leather interior comes the Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using those arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider button, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, the engine push start button, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, the USB ports, and power plug-ins. This is the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the AT4, we've got red recovery hooks, our front camera, HID headlamps, fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. Side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, AT4 badging down the side. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, the rear window slider, the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also comes with the trailering package, the off-road suspension package that includes a 2-inch lift and monotube shocks, skid plates underneath, hill descent control, a high-capacity air filter, and it also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push that button twice, and drop the tailgate down. We've also got the multi-pro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and the rear speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, the USB ports, and a power plug-in. Our middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We've got behind the seat storage located behind either of the rear seats, as well as under seat storage, by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.